Welcome to Tijuana. Here I am with
Michelle Ropp Hendrickson.
Okay, where did you come from?
From Oregon.
Okay, she brought her mom too, who is a friggin' doll. Okay, what did you come down here for? What were you looking for?
Initially it was for dental and some IVs, but when I saw your name on the door, I said, we have to go see him. Because I had done my research and I discovered you years ago, actually.
Oh, cool. So what was your experience like?
Amazing. Everyone in here, well, everyone everywhere has been so helpful, kind. I feel at home here. Very cared for, very well.
And I've said it before, in Huntington Beach, you say good morning. In Bangkok, you go sawadee krap. And here you hug the staff before you start. It is.
That sums it up.
It is. They're all love. And now I know you had dental, IVs, and the chiropractic. And you've only been here, what, 2-3 weeks?
10 days.
10 days. Okay. Have you experienced some positive benefits?
Big time. My neck was so stiff when I got here, and I was like this. I have so much more range of motion. I have more energy. I can breathe better. I feel like a new woman. I really do. And we did pre and post blood analysis too. Yes.
And I heard your blood looks absolutely gorgeous.
And it hasn't even been 30 visits. It's only been 22 or 3 visits.
Yeah, and that's the thing. But within 2 weeks, we do pre and post x-rays, pre and post nerve scans, after doing some IVs. And that IVs only do 2 things. They detox or put nutrients in, one or the other. But we use the live blood cell analysis to find out what the heck we're going to do. And then we do a post one to find out if what we suggested did what we were trying to do.
You've accomplished it.
I said that right?
You did.
Okay.
You did.
Okay, now, because so many people are afraid to travel. So many people are following their doctor's orders no matter what it is. And I know, you don't have that attitude. I got 3 blonde sisters, okay? What made you decide yourself? Like you're deciding your own care. That takes courage, strength.
Well, I self-govern, for one thing. I haven't been to an allopathic doctor in years, but I came to a point where, my teeth were getting bad, and my mom and I just decided that it was time to take the plunge and put make our health a priority. Because without my health or her health or without our health, we can't do anything very well.
Brilliant.
As good as we can.
Brilliant.
So I'm going home today, and I cannot wait to come back in a month to resume the chiropractic and the dental.
I got to tell you, we're all looking forward to hanging out with you and your mom again. It's just cool. And thanks, Sam. Did you have any problems crossing the border, going back and forth?
Not at all. We flew into San Diego, and we didn't even have to stop at the border. Because we had a driver.
Yeah, you generally barely slow down crossing into Mexico. Yeah.
It's been a seamless experience. It really has.
Okay.
And I'm so grateful.
God bless you, dear. Thanks for taking care of you, taking care of mom. Please take care of yourself, get in charge of your own health, and work with a doctor that's going to tell you what's wrong, not give a BS diagnosis of labeling you with whatever the hell you got, and make sure they're doing pre and post scans or x-rays or some type of objective analysis to show you're better. I mean, feeling better is cool.
And to correct my neck, and I've got some issues, but it's all correctable. And that's what was such music to my ears, because I'm actually getting better as we speak, and I will be able to correct my entire body. So I will reach my homeostasis, which is what we are all, well, people that understand, that's what we all need to achieve.
The body,
to be in our homeostasis.
It's always trying to achieve balance. Homeostasis is balance. And if you're in a stress response, you're going to balance to a stress state. Yeah. Brilliant. And make sure whoever is working on you, they do an objective, where it's an object, and they can measure it and show they're actually fixing it. Because that's what we do. That's why we do stress X-rays, to show that we can correct it or can't correct it.
And do your exercises that they suggest we do.
Was it a suggestion?
In order.
God bless you all. Take care of yourselves. The world
Yes,
was
thank
made
you.
for you, and you were made for the world.